My name is Sahil Malik and welcome to my course Developing Daemons and Services Protected by Azure Active Directory. Headless processes, also known as services or daemons, are an essential part of your architecture. In the cloud, where the latencies are high and responsiveness is important, you will frequently use services to do background tasks. These background tasks frequently need to call APIs such as Microsoft Graph or really any other API protected by Azure AD. In this course, I explain how you can author services that need to call Azure AD protected APIs. I explain the details of client credential flow at a protocol level and then using NodeJS, Python, and .NET Core. I then explain a very exciting capability in Azure called as managed identities, which can also be used to call APIs securely. And yes, lots of architectural guidance and other details interspersed throughout this course. At the end of this course, you will be well equipped in using the facilities that Azure and Azure AD offer in authoring services and daemons that call Azure AD protected APIs. I hope you find this course useful and thank you very much for watching.